Begin by safely raising and supporting the vehicle and removing the wheels. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task if needed. Place a wide drip pan to catch any brake fluid removed during the process under the vehicle. The factory line sits in two grooves in the mount that corresponds with two notches in the line. This keeps the line from turning while you unscrew the nut on the hard line, red arrow. You want to use the right tool for the job. That tool is an 11mm flared nut wrench that is designed to grasp the nut on 5 sides. The nuts on the hard line are easy to strip. Do yourself a favor and use the right tool. Once you break this connection open, brake fluid will escape. It is slippery, but most important, deadly to your paint. Do not get any on your paint job. Have a rag ready to catch any brake fluid. Separate the flex line from the hard line. It is a really good idea to cap the hard line while the flex line is off, red arrow. This will protect the line, stop debris from getting in, and keep fluid from getting out. You will now disconnect the brake line from the caliper. You do not need to remove the brake caliper to replace the line. We have removed the caliper from the rotor for photographic purposes only. Use an 11mm flared nut wrench to separate the flex line from the hard line on the caliper, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Never use any sort of tape or sealant on the threads when attaching the lines. Now, you must bleed your brake system. Do not attempt to drive the vehicle until you have completely bled the system. Even if fluid is in between the usable levels, you must bleed the system. You have introduced air into the caliper and lines, and it must be bled out. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with brake bleeding. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.